Today I'm going to be sharing 5 Warren Buffett advice that impacted my investment experience, my portfolio and my wealth. So stick with me, I'm going to share my favorite top 5 tips. See you soon. Welcome back. My name is Dr. Alex Koh. I'm the father of 3 jobs and also family investment on this YouTube channel. So please click like and subscribe for more videos like this in future where I share investing advice, trading advice, and also how to build that wealth for your family. Who is Warren Buffett? Warren Buffett is the man that changed my life. I've never met him, but he is all over the internet and he shaped the modern world of how we should invest. Warren Buffett is one of the top 3 richest billionaires in the world. He still stays in the same house and drives the same 13-year-old car. He started investing at the age of 11. He told his dad that he would like to buy a specific shares, and when he bought the shares, it dropped by 2% instantaneously. But he persevered because he did his homework and research. Warren Buffett only became a billionaire when he was past his 60th birthday. Honestly, if you look back at Warren Buffett's life, he's never done a hard work's life. He's always been doing what he loves, reading, investing, and sharing his wealth of knowledge. So, advice number 1. Click on the link in the description to get WeBull account for 2 free stocks up to $1,400. Get another friend to join, you give you 2 more stocks for free. So, advice number 1. Warren Buffett taught me to invest in a company is like owning a piece of the business. So when you invest in a company, you do your research. You write down why you're investing in Disney, Apple, Microsoft, Shell, BP. It's your money. You invest in it. You are putting money for the business to grow bigger, for the business to get better, for the business to develop new products. So that's my tip number 1. You're not trading. It's all about investing in a business for the long-term growth. And tip number 2, which I find really useful, took me a couple of years before I started rolling in this in my head. When it rains gold, get a bucket, not a thimble, not a small cup. So what he means by that, when you see an opportunity for a share price to drop at a really affordable price, go in big as much as you can afford. Go in with a bigger lump sum. Do not just buy in stages. If you know that it's cheap, you have done your research, you have done your homework, and it's way below the value that you think it's worth, go in big. Do not be afraid to take the risk. Made a difference to me, and this will make a difference to you. Do your homework and believe in your homework. So tip number 3, your top 3 to 5 holdings means you have a whole portfolio, but your top 3 or 5 companies should exceed more than 75% of your overall portfolio. And that's how you see your stock grow. There's no point putting £1,000 in each and every stock up to 30 stocks. If you do that, you might as well buy index fund. If you want to have growth portfolio, your top 3 must exceed 75% of your overall portfolio. And when I adjusted that on my 5th, 6th and 7th year, I decided to choose Facebook, Nvidia and Shell as my top 3 holdings. It changed dynamically. The growth that I was getting was a whole lot more than the last 5 years. This could change. Your top 3 holdings will change, but make sure you put a large chunk in the top 3 or 5, depending on how much portfolio you hold yourself. Okay, now to tip number 4, which is one of the most popular. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. When every time it dips, when everybody is selling, I get the opportunity to buy and own a piece of a good value company that I like, that I believe that's part of my research. So when markets are tumbling, be positive, look at the opportunistic view of the long-term growth and future. Tip number 5 from Warren Buffett, which I have to write down in my hand in my notepad to remind me. Nobody in this world can predict the stock market. Nobody can predict what's going to happen tomorrow, the year after, or the year 5 years after. If you try to time your buy, it's going to be very difficult. You might miss the opportunity. Buy with the money you can afford. Invest when you think the value is great. So be careful on your research, what you read. Just believe in your own research. Invest in the company's business. You own a piece of that business. I hope you'll enjoy and like this video. Give me a comment below on if you agree or disagree with me, or if you've got your own favorite Warren Buffett quotes that changed your life. So hope to see you in future. Click like and subscribe below, and hope to see you again in future. Have a great investing career. May you get rich, and I want to get rich too. Let's get rich together. Bye.